Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hourly beep or the SIG on your Casio Illuminator watch. As you can see right here on the top right corner we have a SIG sign. This means that the hourly beep is on. So this means that every full hour the beeping sound is going to come on, so the watch is going to signal the fact that a full hour has passed. I'm pretty sure you want to turn it off, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we want to do is to press the mode button until we arrive at the settings of the alarm, right here. In this position, what I want to do is to press the start stop button. If I press it once, you can see that now both the alarm and the hourly beep are on. If I press it again, both have disappeared. In case you only want your alarm to be on and the hourly beep off, I'm going to press it once again, and as you can see the alarm is now on, but the hourly beep is off. If I press it again, only the hourly beep is going to be on. Both features are on and now both are off. In case you want both features to be off, what you want to do now is to press the mode button until you arrive in your home screen, and as you can see now I have the time and date displayed and no sign is present right here. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so I'm pretty sure you are going to like it. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.